to record. Okay, we are discussing about British accent and American accents. The next word, which is just in front of you, just about to type, now it is typed. So, how do you pronounce it, this word, in British accent?
Better.
Actually, they don't pronounce this ending sound, which is R
I think
sounds. So they say it like better, better, better. So better. Okay. They don't say it like this one better.
okay.
And in American accent, this
Okay.
is opposite. They say it like better, better.
Better.
Is it
Okay.
informative? Is it good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in British accent, this word, which is little, they say it like little, little. Okay, and in
Little.
American, they say it
Okay.
like little. So da sound, flat T sound is just turned into this one. So in British accent, this word is pronounced like little, little, and in American, it is called like little. So da sound is just mixing in it. Okay.
Okay.
And how do you say this word? City, city. In British accent and in
City.
American, they say it like city, city. Okay.
City.
Yes. So this is quite
City.
different. So this word, which is
Okay.
meeting in normal pronouncing, like you say that in American, this is called like meeting. Okay. In British accent, it is called or pronounced
Hmm.
like
Okay.
meeting, and in American accent, this is pronounced like meeting.
Meeting.
And this word, how do you pronounce this word?
Writing.
Writing, which is spoken in British accent. And what American says like that, they say it like writing. Okay. Interesting.
Yes, sir.
So in British accent, this word which is written in front of you, that is meta. So they don't pronounce this ending sound, R sound. Say they say it like matter. This is what matter a lot. Matter. Okay. In American style, this is spoken like
Okay.
matter. Money matter. According to
Matter.
British accent, they say it like money matter a lot. In American style, this is spoken like matter. Money matters a lot. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
how do you pronounce this word?
Bottle.
Bottle. This is in British, and Americans call it like bottle. Okay.
Bottle.
So you can see the
Bottle.
clear difference in both of their
Okay.
pronouncing the word bottle and bottle. Bottle and bottle. A lot of difference between them.
Bottle. Yes.
So this word, which is pretty, pretty, and in American, this is called like pretty, pretty. You're pretty cute.
Study.
So this word, which is normally spoken like letter. So this is in American styles,
Yes.
and this is spoken like ladder.
Ladder.
So what do you think? Do you think
Ladder.
about this new addition in our class discussion? Do you like it?
Yes, sir.
Now it's your
But
turn.
now when I watch videos,
Okay, definitely. Now it's your turn,
so I'm saying
and
that.
you will speak in both accent now, all these words. It's your turn now for the practice, okay? I will correct you
Oh
if
yes, sir.
somewhere you are wrong.
Okay. So water.
Okay. Just
Mujhe
start it
sir,
again.
sir,
Uh,
I want to speak only
exactly this.
American accent.
Exactly this is like about practicing like water in
Water,
water, water in British and water in American.
water, water,
Exactly.
water,
Exactly. Something
water,
strange, but don't think
water.
like that.
Better,
Okay. This one,
better,
better, better.
better. Uh,
Exactly. Little,
little, ladle,
little, little. Okay.
better. Little, ladle,
Okay. Next one,
city,
city. There is
city.
normal. City. Karachi is your city?
See. Yes, sir.
Okay. Faisalabad is my city. Okay.
Oh,
Have you some meeting? Next word, please.
okay, sir. Meeting and meeting.
Meeting. So they some clear difference. Meeting and very soft
Meeting,
D sound is
meeting,
there. Meeting. So don't speak it like
meeting,
in a stress format. This is very soft, like meeting, riding, matter,
meeting.
bottle, pretty. So soft sound should be there. Okay, soft.
Okay.
Like just I repeat it again. Water, better, little, city, meeting, riding, matter, bottle, and pretty, and ladder. So soft da sound is there, soft sound is there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So is it funny? Is it interesting? Informative?